Hey everybody, welcome back to the Boston Convention and Exposition Center right here on Summer Street in Boston. Me and Jesse are going to be here all weekend hanging out in the big, huge Campers Inn booth. We have over 85 campers here just for you to come down, take a look at, and maybe make your dreams to come true for next year's camping, right? We're standing in front of the Venture RV Sportrek 336 VRK. It's a wonderful kitchen camper. You gotta believe what you see here. Now take a look at that full body paint front cap, and you come out here and look at this. You have a beautiful outside kitchen in a couples unit. Now this is pretty big. It's about 37, 38 feet long. You're probably gonna wanna park it seasonally, but what a luxurious camper. 2 awnings, yeah, and full leveling system on this camper as well. So yeah, you got the BAL leveling system, BAL suspension, so if you do tow it, it's going to tow excellent. We're going to run on inside. Come on in, Jesse, come on behind me. We got these more ride steps, bottle opener over here, and there's that Venture RV logo that we all know and love. We're going to do the bedroom first because we want to save the best for last. Now this isn't so shabby either. You got a king size bed in here. You got double closets over here. You got this beautiful lounge. Some enchanted evening you will see a stranger. This is a place to make the romance happen. And you got the fireplace going, and look at this beautiful desk of drawers. And look at, you can hide some stuff right in here too. And you have some room under the bed as well. Look at all that extra space. It's amazing. And check out that extra big closet. This has 2 Coleman Whisper Quiet ACs. Let's take a peek in the bathroom real quick. Now you got this beautiful stand-up shower, place to put your towels and your robe, and look at this beautiful vanity area. And this has motion sensor lighting and on-demand hot water heater. Now take a look at this living room, everybody. You come in here. Now these are the most comfortable seats in the house, right across from another fireplace and all that pantry storage. And look at this, I got the heat, the massage going. It feels wonderful. And to your right there, Jesse, this makes a nice big single bed so you can squeeze 2 people that like each other, or a big friend like me come by. But when you're hanging around for the whole weekend and you want to make snacks and you want to entertain, you can still communicate as the chef with all your guests and put out all the snacks here. You got a big 12-volt refrigerator, huge pantry over here so you can keep all the things that you need to make your food. It comes with a logo insignia Venture RV cutting board. Of course, you got solar on top. You got all kinds of wonderful storage under here as well. But what a magnificent coach for you to hang around with all your friends and family throughout the whole camping season. Come to Campers Inn RV booth at the Boston Exposition and Convention Center this weekend. Come see Uncle Bernie and Jesse.